Hello, woodworking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the GREBSTK 9.5in Wood Chisel Set, a must-have for both amateur and professional carpenters. This set includes 4 bevel edge bench chisels with blade sizes of 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, all crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, known for its improved hardness and wear resistance. Each chisel features a comfortable beech handle, secured with a chrome-plated hoop, providing a strong grip and robust impact resistance, perfect for use with mallets or hammers. The chisels come in a professional storage bag to prevent shaking and protect the blades, while the black plastic edge guards safeguard the cutting edges from damage. Designed with an industry-standard 25-degree bevel edge, these chisels are ideal for precise woodworking and carving across all types of wood, from softwoods to hardwoods and even laminated woods. Plus, the elegant packaging makes it a fantastic option for gifting. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the GREBSTK Wood Chisel Set is a reliable companion for all your woodworking projects. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.